Soda.
That is not a soda. That's a corn. That's a corn.
It's soda.
Yeah, do it twice in a row. Whoa!
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
Hi, son. How was school?
I'm tired of riding bike.
Yo, you rode your bike to school? You a Spider-Man? How was it? How was the ride?
It was a long ride.
It was a long ride, huh?
It took me like what? It took me like an hour or a minute.
An hour and a minute? Wow, that's a long ride. You have fun in school though?
Yeah.
You study a lot?
Yeah.
You must be thirsty, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you want Daddy to go to the vending machine, get some soda for you?
Yeah.
Or water?
I want water.
You want water? Okay. And you want candy too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try to find a candy machine too, okay? A soda machine.
Yeah. Daddy, you want to see something?
Yeah.
What do I look like?
You look cool. Let me see that. You look cool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to the vending machine and soda vending machine. So I'm gonna get you you want water, right? And candy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you wait here with mommy, okay? I'll be back, okay? You got it? Give me 5. Yeah. What? You missed. Do it again. Give me 5. What? You missed again. Give me 5. No. Do it again. One more time. What? You missed again. One more time. No, that's too low. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. All right. Finally made to the soda vending machine. Let's see. My son wants water. I want Coca Cola. Let's see. I want a soda, so I got my money here. Let's put it in.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
Huh? It's stuck? I'll fix it. Let's see. I mean, it's not smooth. Put it in again.
Hello, sir. What you want?
Hi, are you the computer?
Yeah.
I want water. No, I want soda first. Let me click soda.
Soda, okay. Soda.
That is not a soda. That's a corn. That's a corn.
It's
It's corn. It's not a soda.
Give it back.
Oh, what? Oh, okay, here.
Okay, press it 2 times. Okay, your drink is this.
No, that's not a soda. That's baby food.
Okay, give me my food back.
Why are you giving me baby food? I want soda.
Okay, soda, right here.
All right, I got my soda. I got my soda. Yeah, thank you, computer. You cool. Let me put my soda here, and I'll put my money on. Oh, get your money out. Oh, get your hand out. My soda.
Soda.
No, what are you doing? Robot, you take my soda again? Then put it over here. So that way, way far from you. Okay, I'm getting my money out.
No money, get one, buy one, get one free.
Oh, really? Cool, so I push button then?
Yeah.
Okay, I want water.
Water coming in. Here it is.
That's not water. That's a fidget spinner. I want water. That's a fidget spinner. That's a gold fidget spinner. That's cool though. I like it. Can I have it?
What?
Can I have the fidget spinner?
Yeah.
My son would like fidget spinner. Yeah. Thank you. I'll put it right here next to the soda.
Here's the water.
Alright, water. Yeah. I got water. Yeah. Alright, my son, he was...
No, wait, no.
Oh, question. Do you know where I can find the candy vending machine?
Yeah, kind of vending machine. Nope.
You know where I can find a candy vending machine?
Oh, yeah.
What were you doing? You snapped your finger? And what are we supposed to do?
Wait, what?
I think you gotta do it twice in a row. Whoa! You turned into a candy vending machine.
Yeah.
Wow, cool.
Wanna buy gummy bears?
Yeah, I want to buy gummy bears. Let me put my money in real fast. Hang on. Do I click the gummy bear?
Type the one you want.
Okay, let me see. I want gummy bear. Okay. What? That is not a gummy bear. That's a stuffed bear. I want gummy bear.
Okay, I'll take it.
Huh? You took it from my... How you reach your hand out the computer? I can't even get my hand inside the computer. Whoa. Okay. That's not M&M. That's Tic Tac. You say my breath stink? That's what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? You say my breath stink?
Yeah.
I think you, the robot, need the Tic Tac.
Okay.
Here you go. You can have it back.
Here you go.
What? I thought it was supposed to come down here. It came on the TV.
Oh wait, let me have it.
What? How did you get it? How did you do that?
Wait.
What?
There you go.
What? I got my M&M. Yeah. M&M. Look at my M&M. Yeah. What? Hey, get your hand out. Get your hand out my M&M. How did your hand get out? Oh. What? Hey, you stealing all my stuff. Get out. Get out. This is my stuff. I bought it. Hey, what are you doing, robot? Give me my water.
Not my water.
You a cool robot. Let me high five. What? How you can't get off the TV screen? What? Want to get numb? There you go. Okay, thank you, Mr. Robot. Mr. Vending Machine Robot. Thank you. So let me get all my treat and my water. So to my son. Okay. What? How you get in there? I saw a robot. How you get in there?
I'm in.
What? What happened? Okay, thank you, robot. I mean, human, robot. You became a human, huh?
Human like this?
Oh, there you are. You're a robot again. All right. Okay, thank you, Mr. Robot Vending Machine.
Yep.
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Tiger.
What, Daddy? Did you get my candy and water?
Yeah, I did.
Where?
Guess what?
What?
Look what the robot gave me. Look at all that.
Sneaker.
Look, hey, grab your water. And let me put my
Wait, what's
Coke
that
down.
fidget spinner?
And the robot gave me a fidget spinner. Look.
Yee.
Now you see you spin it. You see you spin it. Let's see. Oh, what happened? What happened? You're not a pro no more at fidget spinning. What happened? You used to be a pro. Let's see. Okay, spin it. Let's see. It's not working or what? What happened? There we go. All right, let's see. Spin it. Let's see. Put it up here. All right. Yeah. Okay. So I got your water.
Wait. Coca Cola.
And I got Coca Cola for Daddy.
For me too.
No, not for you. It's for Daddy. Then and you got water for you. I got for us. Oh, what happened? Oh, what are you doing? You're not supposed to drink my soda. That's my soda. What are you doing? Here, open it for Daddy. The
Open up. Open up. Here you go.
Ah, that was good. Yeah. You I got a green one. You want a green one? You want that one? I guess you want it, huh? Let me see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Let's see you can guess what color come out next. What color come out next?
Blue?
And no.
Brown.
Yeah. Oh, okay, Super Baby. What you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like those videos. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I got my Coca Cola.